everybody, once again from Flughafen Tempelhof. I love that I'm sitting right in the middle of what used to be a runway. Yeah, my favorite kind of airport is the kind that's now a wilderness. Anyway, I had an aha moment this morning that I wanted to share with you guys. Which is that I had spent a solid month every single day trying to feel myself as a cloud of sensation in my meditative practice, and I'd be just like, yep, no, not getting ya. Feeling like a body, feeling like me. And every day I was like, come on, cloud of awareness, and it just didn't come. And then this morning I was like, oh, aha. I stopped trying to think about me as a cloud of awareness and thought about the entire rest of the world around me. I thought about my surroundings, drew my attention to them, and then pretended I was sort of scanning the situation and like running into the spot that was me is like a whoop, oh my god, there's a thing there, and then zzzt. So it really helped to first take stock of the non-me around me. Let's just say the quietness around me, the perceived lack of sensation around me, and then come to the part that was me and feel by comparison suddenly, oh my god, so much sensation, so much mind, so much activity, so much going on. Whoa. I was like, aha, I'm onto something. And then it just hit me that this was basically like a human version of being the blue dot in a Google map. This spot in the universe that I'm using to register all my awareness is my blue Google Map dot. It's my focus of attention. It's my way of centering the universe around this spot right here. You would focus it around your spot right there. And as soon as I thought of the blue dot, suddenly I was also instantly able to think of myself as just one component of the larger map. Because you got the blue dot, you also have the map. The map is you too, and you can zoom the map in and out, just like you can zoom your consciousness in and out. And the blue dot is just a frame of reference to help you understand what point in this big map you're paying the most attention to right now. So I invite you to open up, sorry, it's really windy. Woo! I invite you to open up your Google Maps on your electronic device and have a look at your blue dot and see how you can move the blue dot around, and what you see on the map changes depending on where the blue dot is, and play with zooming the map in and out. And take a moment to realize that you're not just the blue dot. The blue dot is there to help make things easy for you, to help organize things for you, but you are the entire map. Take that, play with that, zoom your mental map in and out, and message me if you want to work with me at jordanadelfeld.com. Choose. Be well.